In this practical tutorial, we will talk about it that how we can calculate the variance of our dataset. Once again, we are in a test directory where our clinical dataset is located. And we have loaded the clinical dataset in our R environment and stored this information into a data variable. We hope so that now you will be comfortable with these steps. After loading the dataset in our R environment, now let's calculate the variance of our age variable. So before moving ahead, let's first give a one command so that we could remember the code later on. After typing the command, come to the next line and type a one function which is VAR. The VAR is going to represent the variance. After typing the function, give the parenthesis and within a parenthesis type the name of the variable that is holding our data and the name of variable is data. After typing the data, give a $sign and after giving a $sign, select the column or the variable in which we are interested. Right now we are interested in age, so we are going to select the age. After typing the age, we will come out of the parentheses and we will hit the run button or press the Ctrl Enter key. When we will hit the run button or press the Ctrl Enter key, then please look at the console. In the console, you are going to have the value of the variance of your age dataset. And if you look at it here, then the value is 117.92. This is quite high. As we have seen in our previous video tutorial, that the range of the age in our age dataset is between 18 to 72. And now we are going to have a variance of 117. Is this interpretable? Obviously not. This variance value is not straightforward interpretable. Why? Because right now this is in a scaled unit. So how to make this value interpretable? We will talk about it in our next video tutorial.